moment. Thank you so much, Ezekiel. And next one, Jace. Where's Jace? Wow! May panalo na sa gating ito. Mochi! Okay, next one, Sebastian the brother. Palakpakan naman natin sila. And next up, Tofto. It's your turn na, Tofto. Nahiya na si Tof. Palakpakan natin si Tofto. And next one, our Zeus. Our little charming. Wow! Isang ikot dyan. Ikaw. What a sweet smile, Zeus. And last but not the least, the best daddy of Haiti, Daddy Dad. A message.
Ayun, baka magkakaroon siya.
And next up, Tofto. It's your turn na, Tofto. Our little charming. Wow. Ikaw. What a sweet smile, Zeus. Longest happy birthday. Do you know the cake?
Supportive naman ang daddy na to.
Are you ready for the
Don't
win?
touch it, okay? Still wet.
Okay, so you just need to drink Haiti happy birthday.
Yogurt pa na eh.
Join the Haiti. Dance also. Palakpakan naman po natin sila. And shiny. Happy birthday. Thank you, Tita. And next one, it's Victoria. Where's Victoria? May ang Victoria over here.
Picture.
Palakpakan naman po natin si Victoria.
I have another gift in mind, but since you told me the one you want last night, it's already.
Stay
pretty and listen to mommy, especially to mommy, tita, and mama. And also with Dodong, ha? You know how to be a ate, okay po? You're big na already and always pray to God. Yeah? Thank you. O,
Pakinggan naman natin si Hailey. So, Hailey, do you wanna say something?
Thank you po. I love you, Mom and Daddy.
Okay. Are we ready po?
Good. Wow. Are you happy?
Ayan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sige. Dito ka. Ayan. The game calls Pass the Smile. Okay? So, hindi makikita nung mga nasa... Isa pa. Isang beses. 1, 2, 3, go! 1, 2, 3, go! So, sino pala? Palakpakan tayo, ha? O, dito muna tayo. Okay, nagas nyo na yung mechanics. So, magbibigay ako ng category. You just need to post. Isa lang. Isa lang gagawa. So, parang... per ano. So, kung sino mananalo, yung pinakamadami, sila panalo syempre. Okay? So, first one. Magpo-post ka. O kunwari, di ba sabi ko, tita sa Divisoria. So, how are you going to post? Tita or tito sa Divisoria.